Good morning, students. Welcome back to Physical Education Classroom once again. Today, I will start from blood vessels. So, look at your book. These are the passages which carry pure blood from the heart to the other body parts. Same way, bring back to impure blood to the heart. So, basically, blood vessels are thin passages by which normally pure blood just passed away from the heart to the body parts and again it returned to the heart. Blood vessels are divided into following three types: arteries, capillaries, and veins. Arteries are the tubes or blood vessels through which blood is pumped away from the heart to the different body parts. The blood carried by the most arteries is a bright red color because it has a picked up oxygen while passing through the lungs. So normally arteries are the tube-like structure. It is a kind of blood vessels. It carries the pure blood from the lungs and it is rich source of oxygen. That's why it is bright red in color. However, the blood that flows through the arteries connecting the right side of the heart. So artery normally जो blood को carry करता है, it is connected to the right side of the heart with the lungs, has not picked up oxygen. The blood has brownish in color. Next, the walls of the arteries are made up of three layers. Basically, arteries consist of three layers. The outer layer that is consists of elastic tissue. The middle layer is a muscle, and the inner layer or the lining of the arteries is made up of thin, smooth cell of the same kind that time the other blood vessels and the heart. So basically, artery consists of three layers. Outer layer is a consist of elastic tissue. Middle layer is a consist of muscle, and the inner lining consists of the thin, smooth, same kind of cell. Next, capillaries. Capillary is the smallest blood vessel in the body, having their walls. So blood capillary is the smallest, smallest blood vessels and has also inner wall, which can be seen only under the microscope because capillary is too teeny and too small. That's why the inner lining of the capillary, it is possible to see under only microscope. Most capillaries are so small that only one blood can cell pass through them at a time. तो इतना ही छोटा है नॉर्मली एक साथ मतलब एक ही टाइम पे सिर्फ one blood cell can pass through them. Capillaries connect the smallest arteries with the smallest vein. So what is the main function of capillaries? Capillaries actually help to connect the arteries with vein. They make up a network of blood vessels throughout the body. The largest capillaries are in the bone, marrow and skin. So normally capillary ये network form कर लेता है पूरा शरीर के अंदर. The largest capillaries basically are bone marrow and skin. The smallest are the brain and the lining of the intestine. सबसे छोटा जो capillary होता है that is found in brain and the lining of intestine. Foods which are carried in the bloodstream are able to pass through the walls of capillaries into the tissues. Waste materials from the tissues also pass into the bloodstream through capillaries wall. So basically, which kind of food we intake? It provides to the each cell with the help of capillaries and the different types of waste product that collect and bring back to the blood with the help of capillaries. In the capillaries of the lungs, oxygen goes through the walls into the blood and carbon dioxide goes out. Other waste product pass through the thin capillaries wall into the kidneys, intestine and skin. Next, veins. Veins are blood vessels which carries blood towards the heart. तो normally हर body part से लेकर heart को वापस देता है impure blood. कौन? Vein. Most veins return blood to the heart after it has given out the nourishment to the tissues and taken up waste product. That's why blood in vein is called venous blood. इसी कारण नॉर्मली वेन का जो ब्लड होता है उसको क्या बोला जाता है? वेनस ब्लड. इट इज इम्प्योर ब्लड. The blood returning from the body cells has lost much of its oxygen and is dull brownish red. It circulates through the right side of the heart and then goes to the lungs. So normally ये right side के अंदर घुसता है, उससे वहां से डायरेक्टली लंग्स में वापस जाता है. Here it gives up its waste carbon dioxide and takes on a new supply of oxygen. So यहाँ से नॉर्मली कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड को रिलीज करने के बाद लंग से दोबारा ऑक्सीजन रिच ब्लड को लेकर सप्लाई देता है. ब्राइट रेड ब्लड फ्रॉम द लंग्स रिटर्न टू द हार्ट थ्रू द पाल्मोनरी वेन. तो हमारी लंग से जो प्योर ब्लड होता है दैट कैरिड बाय पाल्मोनरी वेन, देन इट बिगिन इट्स ट्रिप थ्रू द बॉडी. The veins begin at the capillaries. At first, they are teeny and are called venules. So normally vein शुरू होता है कहाँ से? Capillaries से. At first, veins are too teeny. That's why it is also known as venules. Small veins join to form a larger ones. एक दूसरे के साथ फ्यूज होके larger vein बना लेता है. Finally, all the venous blood of the body pours into two वेरी लार्ज वेन्स दैट ओपन इनटू द हार्ट. मतलब एक दूसरे के साथ फ्यूज होने के बाद ये बड़ा सा एक वेन बना लेता है नॉर्मली, जो ओपन होता है कहाँ पे? हार्ट पे. वन ऑफ दीज सुपीरियर वेना केवा कैरीज ब्लड फ्रॉम द हेड एंड आर्म्स. आई मीन अपर पोर्शन से, मतलब बॉडी का अपर पार्ट से लेकर जो इम्प्योर ब्लड को हार्ट में ढकेल लेता है, दैट इज सुपीरियर वेना केवा. And the other part is inferior vena cava, carries it from the trunk and legs. तो लोअर पार्ट से नॉर्मली ब्लड, इम्प्योर ब्लड को कैलेक्ट करता है कौन? inferior vena cava. Vein like arteries have walls made of 3 layers, but the vein walls are thinner, less elastic and the less muscular than those of the arteries, and the lining membrane of the vein is intima. मतलब as because the same structure of arteries, but in case of vein the outer layer is less elastic, middle layer is less muscular, and the inner lining is the membrane of intima. Next, heart rate, stroke volume, and cardiac output. Heart rate. The heart rate or pulse is the number of times the heart beats per minute. So what is heart rate? मतलब एक मिनट में हम लोग का हार्ट कितना बार पंप हो रहा है, that is the heart rate. For an adult, normal resting heart rate from 60 to 100 beats per minute. ये vary करता है individual. Next, stroke volume. The stroke volume is the amount of blood pumped by the left or right ventricle of the heart per beat. It is very important. What is stroke volume? So stroke volume is the amount of blood normally pumped by the right ventricle of the heart per minute. मतलब पर बीट पे नॉर्मली राइट साइड से जितना ब्लड पंप हो रहा है फ्रॉम द राइट वेंट्रिकल, दैट इज द अमाउंट ऑफ दिस blood is known as stroke volume. The average stroke volume of an adult is 70 ml per beat. Next, cardiac output. Cardiac output is the amount of blood pumped out by the each side of the heart in a 1 minute. So cardiac output is the amount of blood pumped out by each side of the heart in 1 minute. So एक मिनट में नॉर्मली हार्ट का दो साइड से, राइट या लेफ्ट साइड से, बोथ साइड से जितना ब्लड पंप आउट हो रहा है, दिस अमाउंट इज नोन एज कार्डियक आउटपुट. सो कार्डियक आउटपुट इज इक्वल टू एच, मतलब हार्ट रेट मल्टीप्लाई बाई एस पी, मतलब स्ट्रोक वॉल्यूम. तो उसका अमाउंट कितना है? 5040 ml per minute. So hence the normal adult cardiac output is about 5000 ml or 5 liters per minute. So student, I hope all of you understood. So for today, up to this portion.